It is a durable and capacious tool tote. It is equipped with a detachable padded shoulder strap, 2 Velcro locked pockets at the front, and one at the side. At the other side, there is a compartment and a tape holder. Inside the spacious interior, there are different size elastic holders and compartments. A convenient handle can be mounted at the top. At the back, there is additional zipper-locked pocket and the base is waterproof. The inside of the tool tote can be secured by a roll-up cover.